Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been so long since I did like one-on-one video like this, but there's just been so much going on in my life. I'll share all the details in the next video, but just like my face, it kind of looks different. Like I have so many like pimple spots and like just so much is going on. But anyways, today's video is going to be like super duper quick one. I just want to unbox this bag that I got from Kate Spade. It's not really unboxing, I guess unbagging. You can see from the top here that the bag is peeking out. But basically the bag I got, so this one I got from the outlet. So just to throw it out there that I got this one from outlet. And that is what the bag looks like. So let me just rest this one over here. Okay. So this is the bag that I got, and I think the name of the bag is Top Handle Satchel. Like that's all it says. It says Top Handle Satchel right over here. As you can see, I think it's a cross grain leather. There is the side. The back, it does have a back pocket, and then there's also feet at the bottom. And yeah, I have not really used this bag yet, so I don't have a whole lot of things to say, but I just wanted to quickly show you. I think this bag is just so cute. I just love the top handles where the handles don't kind of fall over. They stay up straight like that, because I think when you like rest the bag like that on a table or something, it just looks super duper cute. So before I show you the bag, let me just quickly show you the strap. So this is the strap, and it does have, I mean, you can adjust it obviously. So it's got crossbody option and also like a long shoulder option. So that is always good. And then let me just quickly show you the bag now. So I think I did show you the front, but here it is again. And then it's a snap button. You open it and it kind of looks like that on the inside. I really like black bags with like light interior on the inside, because then it's just easy to see everything. But this one does have like a back pocket, back zipper pocket, and then a front zipper pocket. That's pretty much it. And then it does have like a little slip pocket in the back too. So it's a pretty straightforward bag. I just really like it. It's super cute. I just love holding it just like that in the crook of my arm, or sometimes if I'm going out to dinner or something where I know I'm not going to be like walking around with the bag too much, I just like it how I can just hold it like that and it still looks super cute put on the dinner table. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Super duper quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, it was kind of short, but yeah, stay tuned for my upcoming kind of rant, news, big thing that's going on in my life. But yeah, that really does it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I miss you guys. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, take care, stay safe. Bye.